What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the full story. So guys, I want to give you an update on my trading career because it's been a while ever since I last posted a video here. So if you don't know me, my name is Henry and I have been trading for the last 6 months. So you know very well I started trading with $100. So I posted about it and the videos down. If you wanna know how it was, you can check in the recent videos. And also if you wanna know how I've been trading for this month, I know I've been not sharing this on YouTube, but I've been doing it on TikTok and Instagram. So you can check out my TikTok and my Instagram for these kind of trades. So use the links below in the description so that you can see which trades I've been trading and how I have been able to flip this $100 to a massive $1,000 profit. So guys, let's go. Let me take you through my trades which I'm currently in. So if you see here, this is AUD USD. Let me take you to the higher time frame and how I spotted these entries for the sales. So here, this is the daily time frame. Obviously you can spot a support which was broken, which is around here. So this is a support which was broken, and we anticipated that this support was going to become a resistance. So if we go to the lower time frame, let's say 4 hour or 2 hour, let's first go to 4 hour. You see that after this support was broken, you know the trend is actually downtrend, so it's easier to spot this. So after this support was broken, we see that price came back to retest on it, and we see price retested 3 times. Of course, you know I trade break and retest, but recently I updated my strategy to make it like I'm very confident with it. So I'm using a number of confirmations to actually take a kind of trade. So when we go to 2 hour time frame, I'm actually trying to show you how I entered this trade. So we see price coming back to make the first touch into the zone. This is the area of interest. So if I'm to mark out this zone, I'll just say okay, this is the area of interest. Let me increase the size a little bit. Okay, this one is small. So this is the area of interest. So I didn't want to take any trade before price came back to this zone. So when price did the first tap into the zone, I waited to see what was actually going to happen afterwards. So price came back, but I didn't like the way price came into the zone. So this was a strong sign for buyers, but as of course you know we are still in the zone, so I didn't want to sell immediately. I wanted to see that buyers are rejected into the zone. So we see on the third touch, which is the triple top, we see multiple candles which are rejected, being rejected in the zone. So if I tell you how I took this trade, it's very simple. One of it is rejections, another one is this pin bar around here, another one price came back into the zone, which is like to make it as the third confluence, and the fourth one, if I go, let me take you through this. If I take you through here some of the things I added to my strategy, you will see that we had a divergence from the awesome oscillator. So of course this is AUD USD on a 30-minute. I took this trade from the 30-minute time frame. So you see that we had a divergence from the awesome oscillator. So this is what we call a divergence. Already price is in the zone, So we see price still in the zone, and here we see a divergence. This was my fourth confluence to take a sell on this trade. So I'm actually trying to do a trial or a forward testing on this on my strategy as I'm preparing myself for a funded account. You know, I just want to leverage my my skills so that I can get the most out of it. So I'm trying to use the right lot sizes that I will be using during the or when I'm trading pro farms. So this has been one of the trades which I'm currently in, and another trade is NZD USD. Sorry, it's AUD NZD. Let me show you here. AUD NZD, where are you? So it's here. No, not this one. Yeah, it's here. AUD NZD. So we see this is the same strategy which I use across on all trades that I take. And I told you, if you just want to see how I flipped my account from $100 to about $1,000 or even beyond $1,000, you can check out the videos, because I shared every trade that I took to my Instagram page, to my TikTok page or TikTok account, and also some of the setups I shared them in my Telegram community. So you use the description, use the links in the description to join my my community. Because if you're a trader, of course you have to join this, because it's very helpful, and I know it will be helpful to you also. So this is AUD NZD. I used the same strategy. So price came, it formed, it failed to break these lows, so this point here acted as a support. So you see I marked it off. This is the 2-hour time frame, but if I go to the higher time frame, you'll see that this is the same thing which I've been talking about. We know this one is a downtrend, but I just wanted to catch a pullback. That's why I only marked, I didn't mark the points or the turning points above these highs. I just wanted to catch these 100 pips, which was like a 1 to 4. So this is how I call this. We see price came back to this, price came to this zone, it rejected it, it went up. So by this I just drew an area of interest here. Same thing, area of interest. So this one is now my area of interest. I'm not concerned about what is happening around here or around here. I'm only concerned when price comes back to this zone. So I just want to see what is price doing when it comes to this zone. We see this trade, I actually entered it from the 30-minute time frame. So if we go to the 30-minute time frame, we will see it very well. So we see price touching here for the first time, the second time, so it's making a triple touch. So this is a triple bottom into the zone. This is a very strong confirmation. Even if I don't bring out other confirmation or the divergence or the what, this only is a very strong confirmation. A very strong confirmation. We see after price touched into the zone, we see a kind of doji in the zone. So these are already 2 or 3 confirmations. So this, after this doji, I waited to see some kind of a morning star, so or any candlestick pattern, but what I saw was a morning star. So when I saw a morning star, of course, if you don't know morning star, you can check out for the candlestick trading bible. You will see all what I mean. These are the 3 candles which is a pattern for the morning star. We see after price formed the morning star, it went up to hit all our take profits. So of course I've been doing it the same strategy. I've been using it. So guys, this is how I trade, and this is how I grew my account to above $1,000 from just $100. I know it's not been like easy, that you don't take losses. Losses occur every day in trading, but you gotta make sure that the profits are more than the losses. So I just wanted to give you an update of what's going on before I launch another bigger update. So guys, see you in another video. Peace.